Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to register 1xBet account in UAE. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. All you have to do is go into registration. Once you have going to registration, you are going to choose any registration method of your choice. Then, once that is done, you are going to fill in the different fields. After choosing full option, fill in the different fields. At the level of code and phone, you are going to put the code of UAE and eventually your phone number. Then go to terms and conditions and agree to the terms and conditions, and later on register. And that will be all for this video.